So here's the remote controlled lawnmower I made. It is 2 wheelchair motors hooked up to a Cytron dual motor controller, and then there's a 24-volt battery which plugs in right here. And as you can see, that's the right motor, left motor. That's all there is to it. So on the remote, when I press forward, it goes forward. When I hit left, it turns left, right, just like a zero turn. And yeah, it's just 2 push mowers essentially welded together. It can be started with a impact gun because I broke the pull cord.